We'll guide you through how to make curved shape in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating smooth, curved shapes in Adobe Illustrator can be difficult for beginners who struggle with anchor points and pen tools. This tutorial helps them learn faster techniques for making precise curved shapes. To start it, launch your Adobe Illustrator application on your device. Once the program is ready, look at the top menu bar and find the File option. Click File to open the drop-down menu. Then choose New to start a new project. A document setup window will appear on your screen. Select your preferred preset size based on the type of design you want to create. Then click the Create button to open a blank canvas. To begin creating a curved shape, go to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and change your current tool to the Curvature Pen Tool. This tool makes it easier to draw smooth curves. Using the Curvature Pen Tool, you can create a fully curved shape by clicking directly on the canvas. Left-click once to place your first anchor point. After that, left-click again in the next direction where you want the curve to continue. Continue clicking around the canvas until your desired curved shape is complete. You can also create a shape that is only partially curved. To do this, switch your tool from the Curvature Pen Tool to the regular pen tool in the toolbar. Start drawing your shape by left-clicking on the canvas and placing anchor points. Make sure to add anchor points in areas where you plan to create curves later. Once your basic shape is finished, switch back to the Curvature Pen Tool. Click on the anchor points you created earlier to transform straight lines into curved lines. Select the specific areas where you want to add curves and adjust them as needed. Next, choose the Direct Selection tool from the toolbar. Use this tool to refine your shape by holding the left mouse button and dragging anchor points or curves into the correct position. Take your time practicing these techniques to improve your control. You can also combine basic shape tools with the Curvature Pen Tool to make creating curved shapes faster and easier.